Alright, Progressive Ideas back at you with the one knife to rule them all. I'm not going to go over the build because we have a build video linked in the description. It's an easy build, go check it out. Alright, the knife was built for strength and penetration. So, it's not really made for cutting. It's well, you'll see. Got a scrap piece of wood. I'm curious to see if this thing will. Well, it cuts, but it's, like I said, it's not made for cutting. I was just curious before it started getting run through its paces. Didn't even really do anything to the blade. It's just not that sharp. Okay, I was gonna stack up some cardboard, but it seems lame. It's gonna go through as many as you can push through. It's gonna punch through. So we're gonna skip all that. And I have an 1/8 inch. Nope. I have a 1/4 inch. Nope. I have 3/8 of an inch. Let me show you so you know. So you can see it yourself. Can you see it yourself? Anyways, that's 3/8 of an inch thick. Okay? This is from a door project and blah blah blah. But we're using it as scrap wood. Obviously it's consistent all the way around. It's not cracked or broke or anything. So I'll zoom you in. I'm putting it down right there. Let's zoom in. Now, I have no clue if I'm going to be able to make it through this. That's solid. And it's, like I said, 3/8 of an inch thick. You get into my Michael Myers mode. Alright, so let's see. 3/8 inch. Well, that was kind of uneventful. I mean, it punctured through, but it split the board because it has a wedging effect. And I'm going to show you the knife because it did not even dull the point punching through. Alright, so we're going to have to up and game up because obviously 3/8 of an inch of pine means absolutely nothing to it. I actually wish I had a freaking piece of sheet metal. That would have been good. But I got something else that's really good. What I do have is I have some birch plywood. Now, it's 1/8 of an inch thick, but I have 2 sheets. Now you say, okay Chris, but that's 1/8 inch smaller than the pine. It's fucking birch and it's plywood. And if you can feel it, anybody that's done any woodworking is going to tell you that this is way stronger than that. You don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself and see what happens. Alright, so I don't want this to shatter apart like the last one. So let's take these stickers. It was like 3/16, almost a 1/4 inch of oak. But we're going to use them to stabilize this. That way it doesn't just fold everything in half. Alright? Now, again, I have no clue how this is going to fare. And I love this knife, so I hate destroying it. I'm doing it for you guys. So if you don't hit that freaking subscribe button, you're going to see me in your front yard with this. Like a treasure map. Alright. Place your bets. Does it get through one? Does it get through both? Do I miss and stab right through my hand? punch through one and into the other. That's the second. Holy, I was really starting to think that it would just traumatize the point and it wasn't going to get through because of how hard freaking birch plywood is. I missed the treasure map a little bit. Bam! See that triangle? And more impressive. Look at the freaking point. Alright, go check out that build video. Like and subscribe this one. And freaking tell me, is that not the freaking baddest knife made out of wood you ever seen? Don't lie either. Progressive Ideas out.